Did you know? Atlantis, the legendary lost continent, has captivated humanity for centuries, with tales of advanced civilization vanishing beneath the waves. Ancient Greek philosopher Plato first described Atlantis in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias around 360 before Common Era. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful island empire located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, now known as Strait of Gibraltar. This utopian society boasted incredible technology, vast wealth, and a navy that dominated the ancient world for generations untold. Atlantis was said to be founded by Poseidon, the sea god, who bestowed upon it rings of water and land. Concentric circles of canals and walls protected the central city, where temples of gold and silver gleamed under eternal sunlight. Inhabitants of Atlantis were descendants of Atlas, excelling in engineering, agriculture, and warfare with unmatched ingenuity and prowess. Plato claimed Solon learned of Atlantis from Egyptian priests, who preserved records dating back 9,000 years earlier. The story unfolds as a moral tale. Atlantis grew arrogant, waging unjust wars against Athens and other ancient civilizations. Divine punishment followed. Earthquakes and floods sank the continent into the Atlantic Ocean in a single catastrophic day. Skeptics argue Plato invented Atlantis as allegory for ideal societies and the dangers of hubris in human governance. Yet believers point to geological evidence, like underwater ruins suggesting advanced cultures predating known history by millennia. In 1968, divers discovered Bimini Road off Bahamas, a formation resembling man-made pavement submerged for ages. Some claim these stone blocks align with Plato's descriptions, hinting at remnants of Atlantis's engineered harbors and pathways. Satellite imagery reveals circular structures in Mauritania's Richat structure, dubbed Eye of Sahara, matching Atlantis's concentric design. Proponents argue erosion and ancient sea level changes could have submerged this site, once thriving in prehistoric times. Marine archaeologists explore Mediterranean sites, like submerged cities near Egypt, linking them to possible Atlantean influences or outposts. Artifacts from Minoan Crete show advanced Bronze Age tech, destroyed by Thera volcano eruption around 1600 BCE. This cataclysm inspired Plato's tale, with tsunami waves echoing the sudden demise of a sophisticated island empire. Genetic studies reveal ancient DNA links between distant cultures, suggesting migrations from a central advanced hub like Atlantis. Mythical orichalcum, a reddish metal described in Atlantis, resembles alloys found in Andean ruins, sparking transatlantic connection theories. Edgar Cayce, psychic prophet, predicted Atlantis's rediscovery, claiming its crystal energy tech caused the continent's downfall. Modern searches use sonar to map ocean floors, uncovering anomalies that fuel debates on lost civilizations beneath seas. In 2004, researchers found underwater pyramids near Cuba, with geometric shapes defying natural formation explanations. These structures, at 2,000 feet deep, suggest human engineering from an era when sea levels were lower. Climate data shows Ice Age melt raised oceans by 400 feet, potentially flooding coastal advanced societies worldwide. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, dated 12,000 years old, proves complex societies existed before agriculture was widespread. If such sites thrived on land, imagine submerged ones holding secrets of even older, more advanced lost worlds. Plato's timeline places Atlantis's fall around 9,600 BCE, aligning with end of last ice age. Comet impacts, or solar flares, might have triggered global floods, as described in various ancient flood myths universally. Sumerian texts speak of antediluvian kings ruling advanced cities before a great deluge wiped them from existence. Hindu Vedas describe sunken continents like Kumari Kandam, paralleling Atlantis with tales of enlightened beings and technologies. Native American legends recount star people from ocean depths, hinting at survivors from a drowned prehistoric civilization. In modern fiction, Atlantis inspires movies like Aquaman, blending myth with sci-fi to explore underwater human potentials. Scientific expeditions continue, using submersibles to probe abyssal plains for evidence of man-made ruins or artifacts. Seismic activity maps reveal ancient fault lines where continents could have shifted, swallowing islands in tectonic upheavals. Ocean core samples show sediment layers with unusual pollen, suggesting lush lands now buried under marine deposits. Linguists trace root words across languages, proposing a proto-language from a common Atlantean source, influencing global dialects. Astronomical alignments in pyramids worldwide mirror those Plato attributed to Atlantis' star-worshipping priests and architects. Conspiracy theorists claim governments hide Atlantean tech, like free energy devices, to maintain control over society. Despite skepticism, satellite anomalies persist, with Google Earth users spotting grid patterns on remote ocean floors. In 2011, a team announced finding a sunken city off Spain's coast, fitting Plato's geographic clues. Mud flats in Donana National Park reveal circular formations, possibly remnants of Atlantis' harbors eroded by time. Carbon dating of nearby artifacts pushes human activity back to periods aligning with Plato's ancient narrative. Quantum physicists speculate Atlantis harnessed zero-point energy, explaining their rapid advancement and eventual catastrophic misuse. Folklore from Azores Islands, mid-Atlantic, tells of phantom lands emerging from mists, echoing lost continent sightings. Whale migration patterns avoid certain deep-sea zones, as if remembering ancient barriers from submerged civilizations. Deep-sea divers report eerie underwater sounds, theorized as echoes from Atlantean machinery still faintly operational. Satellite gravity maps show mass concentrations under oceans, possibly dense ruins from collapsed advanced structures. Historians debate if Atlantis was metaphor for fallen empires like Carthage, destroyed in wars with Rome. Yet physical evidence mounts, with megalithic stones worldwide sharing construction techniques defying primitive tool explanations. In Japan, Yonaguni Monument's terraced formations underwater suggest artificial carving from 10,000 years ago. Divers explore its steps and angles, debating if waves or humans shaped this potential Atlantean outpost. Climate models predict rising seas will reveal more sites, as melting ice exposes long-hidden coastal ruins. Philosophers ponder Atlantis as warning. Advanced societies risk self-destruction through greed, war, and environmental neglect. In literature, Jules Verne's novels drew from Atlantis myths, inspiring explorations of ocean's mysterious depths. Modern tech like AI analyzes ancient texts, uncovering hidden patterns supporting Plato's detailed geographic accounts. Expeditions to Antarctica seek frozen evidence, as some theories place Atlantis under ice before continental shifts. Melting polar caps could unearth artifacts, proving a temperate Atlantis existed in warmer prehistoric climates. Skeptical scientists demand empirical proof, dismissing myths until verifiable ruins surface from the abyss. Believers counter with unexplained phenomena, like Bermuda Triangle disappearances linked to lingering Atlantean energy fields. Naval records document strange magnetic anomalies in Atlantic, where compasses spin wildly over potential wreck sites. In art, Renaissance painters depicted Atlantis' fall, symbolizing humanity's eternal quest for lost paradise. Today's documentaries blend CGI with expert interviews, reconstructing Atlantis to visualize its grandeur and tragedy. Genetic anomalies in isolated populations hint at Atlantean survivors intermingling with ancient human migrations. Oceanographic surveys map vast plateaus underwater, ideal for sustaining large populations in antiquity. Plato's precision in measurements suggests eyewitness accounts, not mere fable passed down through generations. Critics note inconsistencies in translations, yet core elements persist across cultures' sunken city legends. Future deep-sea mining might accidentally uncover Atlantean relics, revolutionizing our understanding of human history. Space agencies use orbital sensors to peer through water, detecting submerged anomalies invisible to surface ships. In philosophy, Atlantis represents the collective unconscious, an archetype of utopia lost to human folly. Environmentalists draw parallels. Modern climate change threatens coastal cities, mirroring Atlantis' watery fate. Historians compile timelines, correlating global cataclysms with the purported era of Atlantis' destruction. Myth or reality, Atlantis inspires innovation, pushing boundaries in archaeology, oceanography, and speculative science. As technology advances, we edge closer to solving this enigma, buried deep in Earth's liquid archives. Imagine rediscovering crystal cities, unlocking secrets that could propel humanity into a new golden age. Yet caution prevails. Atlantis' tale warns against repeating history's cycles of rise and devastating fall. From Plato's scrolls to modern sonar pings, the search for Atlantis endures as timeless human curiosity. Whether fact or fiction, it challenges us to explore unknown depths, both oceanic and within ourselves. Did you know? The mystery of Atlantis persists, inviting you to dive into history's greatest unsolved riddle.